Find the slope of the line that passes through the given points. So we have 2 points here, this one right here in the red, and this one right here in the green. And we're going to have to use the slope formula over here. And what we need to do is we need to label these points. So I will call this the first point, point 1, and I will call this the second point, point 2. Remember that your x comes first, so this is the x sub 1, and this is the y sub 1, and then this will be the x sub 2 and the y sub 2. So once you have it labeled, all you're going to need to do is plug them into the formula. So we will put y sub 2 right there, y sub 1 right here, x sub 2 right here, and x sub 1 right here. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. So I know the slope formula says that m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, very important to use these parentheses, because if you do have a negative as one of your 4 numbers, you need to put it in there and make sure sometimes you're going to have the opposite of a negative, which would become a positive. Okay, so we don't have that in this case. Let's just go ahead and plug in our numbers. We're going to plug in y sub 2 is 8, minus y sub 1 is 1, x sub 2 is 2, minus x sub 1 is 7. All right, so we have in the numerator 8 minus 1, and then the denominator 2 minus 7, and that is going to give us 7 over negative 5. Now we don't want to leave this negative in the bottom. It's okay if you do, but math people like to put it out there in front. So we're looking at one number that is negative. Negative 7 over 5.